How's it going, Plant Heroes? Plant Hero Call here today with a little rare find for you. I just recently got back from my trip to Hawaii, and these are some of the things that inspired me. There's beautiful plants growing all over the place there, and one of my favorite is the Bismarck Palm, Bismarckia nobilis, I believe it's called. I found this nice seed cluster on one of them, low-hanging fruit, if you will. Made sure it was okay with the airport to leave with it on my way out, and this will be one of my projects coming up soon. I've got a couple other things here, so join along. We're gonna just do a quick overview, and hopefully with each one I can make a little video on. I'm gonna do the research and figure out how to properly plant these, and maybe do an update in 6 months, and we'll see how they do. So here we go. Okay, so first I was talking about my Bismarck palm seeds. This is a little cluster that was growing in the tree, and normally they would fall to the ground, sit and have time to dry and whatnot, but each one has a little nub on it, so you can see kind of the dry cracking in here. This is how you would find it kind of on the ground. Some of these seeds are still a little ripe on this side, or not ripe enough, I guess you could say. Each one of these will be an opportunity for me to grow a little mini Bismarck palm. So we'll see how that goes. Also, when I was in Hawaii, I was inspired by the bamboo forest there. They're, huge walls of bamboo as tall as 4-story buildings, and I thought they were really awesome. So I was looking online. I actually found black bamboo. So the shafts of the trunks of the bamboo would have a black color to it, so that'll be a fun little tester. I think there are like 40 seeds in here. There's probably 40 here, so I've got some good opportunities, but this is all going to come down to if I can do this the right way. That's where this is going to come in handy. I bought some rooting hormone. I did some research online, and the powder is actually a better choice than the gel. You can buy either one, but apparently the gel is a little more tricky or dangerous because the gel can lock in too much moisture and potentially cause some root rot. We're gonna be using the powder. We're gonna prepare a bunch of little mini pots for all these, and then I've got 2 more surprises that I have not yet opened. So let's get to it. This one, definitely Hawaii inspired, is a Plumeria. It's, if you've ever seen a Hawaiian lei, it's the flower that is on the lei, or that they use to make it. These are basically trees that grow naturally in Hawaii that are orchid trees. So I have a picture right here. If I can open that up, and we will show you right here. This is a Plumeria. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. And what they sent me, let's hope it's in good condition, is a stripped branch from a Plumeria tree. Looks like it's got a little questionable rot near the bottom, but I believe, it's still totally green and happy. So one of my next projects is going to be planting this up. It's a little stubby, but it looks like it has potential, and maybe with some rooting hormone, we can make some magic happen. So that's that little box. All right, and then in here we have, this one's not exactly Hawaii inspired, but you go down a rabbit hole of finding plants online, and this is called a desert rose. I was looking at the Plumeria, and I got inspired, and basically it's this nubby bulbous thing, and actually I'm very happy with the roots it has on it. This is gonna go well. I believe in this. But basically, I'll plant this in more of like a deserty, sandy soil, probably for all of these. I'm gonna have to mix some sand in to get the right soil composition, because we don't want the soil to stay too wet. We'll plant this in, and I'm pretty sure this is not a very fast growing plant, but I think We'll have some new sprouts coming up. The desert rose flowers, and all of these are nice low water plants. That's my, you know, weapon of choice, I guess you would say, for my personal plants, because I don't want to worry if I go away for a week. If you think any of this sounds cool or fun, or you like going out, finding plants in the world, bringing them home legally, of course, drop some fertilizer on that like button, because that will help us grow. That's the most important, easiest thing you can do to support our channel. And if you enjoy any of this, you're already a plant hero in my mind. So thank you, take care, and be sure to check back for some of this fun, because I'm gonna go get into it.